I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm literally excited for this one, right? Okay, so the Improver has given us a brand new beatboxing. I'm a big fan of the Improver, right? I've only done one reaction to Improver. One reaction only. And I'm really disappointed. I'm disappointed. I have a big disappointment in myself, right? But I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I do love your beatboxing, right? You and Mr. Taras, you guys are so great. I love your music so much. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'm a distant traveler. I travel from across the world, from where I am at now, to go to many places on this planet to check out the music, the culture, the heritage, right? To know what you guys are capable of, right? Oh yes, and one question though, do anyone here know Bob Marley? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to have a liberation there with you all. Yes, so I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, guys, let's see what's up. Let's see what Mr. Improver will do here. Yes. Wow.
With me, let it out that please feel free. Forget about the rhythm, break it down of the algorithm. There is no limit, you know, you feel it.
Bro, booka, booka, booka. Yo, he's killing it, bro. That is so exquisite, bro. He's killing it, bro. Oh man, what professional work, bro. Booka, 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 bro. This is fantastic. This is fantastic, bro.
It's gonna shake your skeleton. It's time to kill it.
Book, bro. This is fucking cool, bro. This is so cool, yo. No, bro, ain't no freaking way. It is a walking machine, bro. He is literally a studio for himself, bro. This guy must be a robot, bro. He must be. Book, bro. Bro, this is fucking awesome, bro. Hire this man now. You need to improve your skills and hire this man. Damn, he's good. He's really good, bro. He's good. He killed it. He killed it. Yeah, he killed it. He killed it. Wow. If you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, bro. He's good.